Hello everyone, welcome. In our last 3 lessons we've been working with the verb aimer in French, to like or to love. In this lesson we are going to learn how to ask some questions with the verb aimer. So let's review what we learned in the last lesson. We like, nous, remember the ending ons, nous aimons. You like, vous, the ending that goes with vous is z. So vous aimez, you like. They like, ils aiment, ent ending. They like, elles aiment, ent ending also. Don't forget to associate those endings with those subject pronouns. Memorize that. Okay, so we learned how to make statements like nous aimons les chiens, nous aimons les chats, nous aimons les ordinateurs, nous aimons la pizza. How do we make questions? Okay, so we're going to make questions with some of these forms here. So let's go ahead and look at that. Remember, to ask questions, you will reverse the word order. So conjugated verb first, then subject pronoun, and they're separated with a hyphen. So we have, do we like, aimons-nous? Do you like, aimez-vous? Do they like, aiment-ils? There's liaison here. Aiment-ils? And do they like, aime-t-elle? Aime-t-elle? Okay, so let's put that together with our nouns. If we want to ask the question, do we like dogs? We would say, aimons-nous les chiens? Do we like cats? Aimons-nous les chats? Do we like computers? Aimons-nous les ordinateurs? Do we like pizza? Aimons-nous la pizza? Do you like dogs? Aimez-vous les chiens? Do you like cats? Aimez-vous les chats? Do you like computers? Aimez-vous les ordinateurs? Do you like pizza? Aimez-vous la pizza? Do they like dogs? With ils. Aiment-ils les chiens? Do they like cats? Aiment-ils les chats? Do they like computers? Aiment-ils les ordinateurs? Do they like pizza? Aiment-ils la pizza? Do they like with elles? Do they like dogs? Aiment-elles les chiens? Do they like cats? Aiment-elles les chats? Do they like computers? Aiment-elles les ordinateurs? Do they like pizza? Aiment-elles la pizza? Just as a reminder, there's more than one way to ask a question in French. We're looking at the more formal way. What's considered the more formal way is the inversion method, where you invert and you separate with a hyphen. In the future, we will look at the other way, which is using est que. It's considered a more conversational way of asking a question, or a less formal way. So if you want to ask someone, do you like, you could say aimez-vous, but you could also say est-ce que vous aimez? And this, of course, is the topic for a future lesson. That's it for this lesson. Remember, if you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you would hit the like button. Consider sharing it with someone else. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. To continue learning about aimer and go to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.